Hey, welcome back to Lane Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be my model cars and coffee. We are going to a little bit of an update, shop update, and a reveal on the '64 Malibu. So, with that, let's get to it. Here's the my shop van I've been working on. You can see all the tape on it. Kind of, I shaved the door handles here on each side. We've seen the side door open. We now have the back door open. We're going to fill in all the little spots there with some Tamiya putty or some sprue goo. I'm not sure yet. That's going to be all right. That's going to be pretty cool when it's done. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the back door yet. I thought about making like a ramp door with it, but I may end up taking it up, make a lift up door because I don't want swinging doors because I want access to get in and out, for items and engines or whatnot that we'd be hauling in a work van, shop van. And here's the Hellcat as it sits right now going to go in. That thing is a cool looking motor. The detail in it. That's a flat aluminum, I think it was, chrome silver maybe. And then I took some gold leaf and mixed it with the titanium silver Tamiya for the oil painting. Because the reference photo I looked at showed it as a darker and a goldish look to it. So you can kind of see that. Got everything else over here painted. We will be painting these body color on these. Won't they focus? Once I figure out what color we're gonna go with this, that will be that. Got all the little engine pieces here. We'll be getting them painted soon. Stick them in this box. This ain't taking a break. I'm just cleaning up a little bit. It may take a couple day break. We'll see. What else are we going to talk about? We're going to reveal the Malibu. So with that, hold on just a second. All right, I got us set up here to show this. Let's turn it on here and let the turntable move a little. Then we will pull the cover off. There we got it spinning now. It was a, I'm gonna say this was a fun kit. I enjoyed it. So let's pull that off there. The paint job probably could have been a little better, but it's one of the better ones I've done. I had the little dehydrator. I shouldn't have sanded the hood without clear on it. And just overall, not bad. Look at it here. Spin. I think the white wheels set it off pretty good with the white interior. It's a cool looking build for a curbside street machine. I guess you could call this street machine. Box stock a little bit with some wheels. Let's watch it around a few more times. I did polish the top or the hood, the top, the roof, and the trunk lid, area with the Tamiya polishes. I didn't touch the side any. They kind of came back out the same, so we're okay. So let me stop this here, and then we'll turn the turntable off, and we'll talk about it. All right, so you see the top of it here. Let's pull the pop the hood up here. No, at least I can turn it upside down. Pop it off. Let's show you the engine bay. See the transmission in there. Got a dipstick for it right here. Got a couple heater hoses for the air conditioner. We have the main wiring harness. Yeah. Got the 1964 license plate. That is decal, kit decal on a piece of pop can to give it a metal. So we have a metal license plate on it. Same on the rear. Kit license plate onto a piece of pop can, piece of aluminum. And the yellow, the white lights back here are a little yellowish because I'd painted them red or orange, clear orange maybe. Wasn't paying attention to what I was doing, and I had to clear them because I was using the wrong lenses. It still turned out all right. And that's the decal and the logo right here. Yeah, get a little better pointer here. That's the decal. I cut the decal so it wouldn't get this area here. Panel lined in the trim here. And the chrome. Used Fusion Firm and dipped it with my eraser and kind of printed the lettering all the way around the car. See the Malibu SS right there. It turned out pretty good. This paint looks really good in the sun. We got our door handle and lock there, chromed up a little bit. The logo here on the fender. We got chrome on the windshield wipers here, then white wiper arms here. We got a Good Guys decal from the 32 Highboy I never used. It's supposed to go on the, I think I put it on the outside. It should have been put on the inside and turned around. So it's like mirrored. So driving, looking at it from the mirror, the driver, he sees it perfect. So we're okay. You can see the paint ain't too bad. A couple little spots here or there, but you know, it was a fun kit. You can see the seat belts down in there. Kind of added that detail to it. A little bit, did the bare metal foil. Then I had the front wheel. The front wheels are kind of set how I wanted them. They kind of bent up a little bit. So there's, they, you can kind of see how it sits flat. But how I had to modify the opening here, where this is, that's sitting a quarter inch scale, not scale, quarter inch higher than the wheel well, where the axle would go through. Now I used aluminum tube painted black right here on each side and kind of pinned it in. Let me pull this off if it'll let me. Yeah, you can kind of see here. Maybe not a quarter inch, but this gap right here. We can measure that. Then I cut the. Well, I ain't gonna measure it. I guess I could. Let's measure a little bit. 3 millimeter maybe off of that. Then I cut the top of the little shaft off. Then cut this out more here to slide to get the wheels up higher in the body. You can see they're about on the frame right here. So we're about as high as we can go with those to hold the wheels on. And that works using aluminum tubing to make like a socket for it. Then just slides right over to where it needs to go. I did the same with the back. Back here, I had it made without the chassis, without the body. It may have fit nice, but I couldn't get the wheels on with the body on, or the body over with the wheels how they were. So we had to cut the little metal off here. You can see right there. I had to pinch that off, then scrape off the UV glue, and then glue them directly to the shaft. But you know, it works. Not a lot of detail on the underside. You know, I did, just a transmission out of the parts box. And kind of cut it to where it kind of looks like it was made to go into this kit. Cut this out here to open that up a little bit. I should have painted that interior tub right there. No biggie. One thing about that, I guess. No detail on the exhaust, but it is for a Craftsman Plus. Not a lot of time in this. A little bit of time, not a lot. I mean, it's a good kit. I'm gonna buy one of these. This is the one I got from Bill's modeling bench. And these my heater, my AC hoses here are heat shrink tubing over solder. And I just drilled some holes here and tucked them in and UV glued them in. And this is some wrapping wire for the harness. Is wrapping wire wrapped in heat shrink. Also, it's kind of a tight fit there, but it worked. Guy's getting ready to pop his motor in. Took it out to get it freshened up. That's where we're at. All in all, not a bad build either. I like it. It goes together nice. I recommend this kit to anybody looking to have a quick little build. Where'd the box go? I'm gonna show the box just as a reminder. Man, it ain't around here. I know it is. I'm probably looking right at it, just don't see it. That's how it goes sometimes. Ho 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 ho. Man, and it's not like I have a lot of stuff in my work area, but sometimes you lose your knife when it's sitting right in front of you too. Where did you go, box? There's the Bonneville Trail. I thought I saw it just a minute ago. Let's see if it got hidden under here. Nope. It's neither here nor there. I recommend the 64 Malibu Craftsman Plus. You can kind of see the hood where it looks a little different than the top. That's where I wet sanded this without the clear on it, trying to fix a spot right here. You know, it's in certain light you can't tell it. Let me know what you think of this. I think the colors came out right for what I did. Probably it has almost the look I was going for with the white wheels, the white interior. It looks clean, you might say. Going to go. I'm recording this on Saturday morning. We're going to go to the Cars and Coffee show, and I'll probably make a video of that. That starts here in a couple hours, 8 o'clock. It's just after 5 right now. I got in a hurry when I was putting this together too. Had the body on, all glued up almost. Well, the body ain't glued, but I forgot to put the firewall in and the core support. So I had to like pop everything apart real quick, and I was like worried I was going to tear something, break something, because when I first got it, I put the body together. And you can see right here that broke. When I first, before you even paint anything, I just put it together to mess with it. So I had to glue it back. I got in a hurry. I almost got in a hurry putting it on final assembly, but it came out. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.